In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Booking.com to ChatGPT, so this way you can easily find the best trips or the best bookings. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just go to your profile picture and then go to settings, then apps, and click here to add more applications. This will bring you to this kind of marketplace where you can find Booking.com, or you can also go here and search for the application you want. So here we got Booking.com. And if you click there, you will find some examples of what you can do with this integration. For example, let's say you want to search for hotels in Miami Beach or even a car rental. You can do a lot of things with this integration. Just click connect and it will ask you for this permission. Click connect again. And now Booking.com is connected. You can start a new chat and click this plus icon, click more, and you will find this new integration. So just ask this AI for anything. For example, search for rentals in Los Angeles, and it will start giving you a price or a list of the rentals in Los Angeles thanks to the booking platform. So as you can see, it gives you all the results, and this way you can plan a total trip. You can search for the best prices, and that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.